What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, your favorite chart analyst, back again, giving you the latest updates on crypto and XRP with Ichimoku technical analysis. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing tonight? God bless you guys. I appreciate you guys being on here tonight. What's up, Rodney? How you doing? God bless. Nice to see you, man. You still, it feels like you're playing Final Fantasy, hearing the music. That's what's up. What's up, XRP Bull? How we going, man? God bless you too. Let's see, XRPG, what's up? How we doing, man? And Sir Captain Sticks, good evening to you. God bless you all. Thank you for joining me tonight. I appreciate you guys. Tario, God bless. I appreciate you being on here tonight as well. So, y'all see the market is taking quite a hit. I'm not surprised one bit. I am not surprised one bit. What's up, Tech Savvy Sailor? How you doing, broski? Glad to have you on here. Appreciate you being on the live stream. Thomas, how we doing? Appreciate you being on here. If you are new to this channel, you guys, smash that like button, help the algorithm out. Also hit that that subscribe button, you guys. It helps out. Yeah, I saw that all of a sudden, all of a sudden, XRP got hit. Ripple got hit with that lawsuit by the SEC, which is very ironic, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not surprised one bit. The chart still did say that the market was getting weak. It just happens to be that the news lined up with this at the wrong time. So I'm not surprised one bit, you guys. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. Yeah, Rodney, XRP just got a lawsuit by the SEC. I guess just a moment, not too long ago. I think probably a few hours ago or so, or minutes. I don't even remember. But all I know, I didn't even pay attention. I said charts are saying this is gonna fall, but this is probably gonna speed that process up. So we'll see. 22 cents. I don't know about 22 cents. Maybe 34, but we'll see. If it does hit 22 cents, I think everybody should buy in and be happy. That's just my thoughts. I've been day trading XRP for like 3 years. I knew this was gonna happen. As you see the title of this this video or this live stream, you know, this market is manipulated, guys, by institutions and traders, big money people. You guys wanted institutional people to get into this market. This is what you get when you ask for these people to get involved in these type of markets. You don't know how these people manipulate markets. If you trade Forex, if you are a day trader, you understand all markets are manipulated by people that have money. Banks manipulate the market. Why you think XRP is the bank coin? When XRP finally takes off, you guys don't understand how much money is going to be made when this thing finally does take off. But they're not gonna have you guys in this market. They're going to shake at least half of you guys before they move this market to the upside like they dream. They don't want y'all to get a part of what they have, and that's the truth. So you guys got to understand that this market, it's manipulated. It's very manipulated. So you guys got to understand it's not designed for you to win. It's really not. You got to understand that you have to think like they think. You have to be patient, and you also have to understand how they think. This is straight facts. Hold on a second, you guys. My niece is knocking on the all right, so my niece was just knocking. She asked me a question. Well, she was more so talking to me about something. But anyway, back to what we were talking about. You guys got to understand this market is not in favor of you guys. I've been saying this for a long time. I've been saying this for a really long time. A lot of people that are invested in this market, they don't understand as soon as the institutional traders and investors got involved when those laws were getting passed, I said no, because I know it's about to happen. They're going to move this market as they please, and that's the bottom line. If you are a day trader, the way you should trade XRP is from zone to zone. That's how I notice how XRP moves from zone to zone, and then when it does make its big moves, it does do like 40-30% moves. But Those moves are very rare in XRPs. But like I said, you guys, this market is definitely controlled by the very people that you wanted involved in this market. Now, as far as the market moving in the what direction, we already see it's moving bearish. If you guys watch my video that I posted earlier, you could like go out of this live stream now, go to that video and watch it, and see what I said. I said 34-cent XRP is very possible, and a lot of people laughed at the idea because everybody is, we are follow people on social media that have no idea how this really works. This I have family members that work with Goldman Sachs. You guys, I even told my sister you should move from Goldman Sachs and go work with Ripple. Because y'all, they're really messing with the money. I'm just telling you guys. Now, as far, you said what's good with this FUD. Now this isn't FUD. This is, you could say to a degree it is FUD, but it lines up with how the charts are moving. They want half of you guys out of here. They don't want y'all to get this money. And Apex, I appreciate you joining this live stream. Shout out to you. Joe Gomez, I appreciate you being on here as well. I didn't see your name. What's up? But yes, you guys, they don't care about people, y'all. And this is how you guys are going to win. All right. There's one thing in the Bible that I want to teach on, and that's called patience. It's one of the fruits of the Spirit. Here's one thing that people need to have when it comes to investing. All right. You don't need to have fear either. But here's the thing. When it comes to investing, the money moves from impatient hands to patient hands. This is one of the fruits of the Spirit in Scripture that we need to get. And this is something that a lot of people don't understand. You have to think like an investor, like the institutional investors and big time traders. What they do, they'll wait 4 years if they have to move this market. You know why? Because they got time and they got money. You don't have that much time and you don't have that much money like they do. This is something that you need to understand. Long suffering indeed, yes, my friend. But this is something that you need to have. And you could apply this not just in your investing life, but in your day-to-day life. Your patience with people, patience with your in your relationships. Some of you guys that have been since this coronavirus, y'all have been stuck with y'all spouse that you don't really talk to, and you probably don't get along with him or her. And so you probably don't have patience for them because you don't know how to talk to them no more. But you have to understand, you have to be, and I also talked about this earlier on my video that I posted. You have to be slow to speak and swift to listen. You have 2 ears to listen. So you have to listen more, and you have one mouth to speak. So you have to talk less and listen more. This is something that a lot of people don't do. You got to be slow to speak and swift to hear what people have to talk to you about. This is a lot of things. This is a lot of the reason why people don't get their point across to other people, because people don't want to listen to what other people have to say. So when you finally listen to what other people have to say, you could sit down, come together and reason and talk about why you agree with them, why you don't agree with them, and all that. So this is something that, people need to learn how to have, how to use these gifts. Patience is a gift. Use it wisely. So you guys, my advice to you in this market right now, I would say wait. Be patient. Stop throwing your money out, because you're going to eventually buy all the dips out there, and they're not going to move it when you want it to. Let's say if they don't move this for another 4 years, and looking at the economy now, I don't think you're going to last another 4 years buying dips. I'm just being real with you guys. Be smart and wise with your money. They have long money. When I say long money, they got millions and millions, if not billions of dollars. And if they're tapping into the Forex market, they got trillions. They could outwait you for years. Why you think these stimulus checks are so fake? You guys, be patient. Be patient. Don't just throw your money out there. Put it in little here and there, but don't throw all big bags in there. You'll make it. Trust me, you'll make it. Just be patient. All right. Let's see. You said, Joseph, how you doing? Appreciate you. You said, so what price range are we likely to hit? That's what I assume that you meant to say. So the price range that I'm looking at right now, I'm about to show you guys, and God bless you too, man. I just saw that. What I'm looking at, where the price is potentially going to move. Let's see. I think I had it on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it was the 1 hour. No, actually, it was lower, 15. Let's see. So I had an N wave right here. Let me make sure I had it. Yeah, here it is. It's the 4 hour chart. So on the 4 hour chart, actually, I already hit 3 of my targets already. So if you are in my Discord group, and if you are in the student section, I told my students to short here. And, you know, they better have shorted when I told them. But anyway, here was a good short move to the downside. We already hit target 3. Target 4, which is down here, which is at 43 cents. That's where I'm looking at next if we could hold here. Possibly, okay, let's see. Possibly in the next hour, 46 minutes, we may range a little bit. Depending on how this 4 hour candle closes. We still have a whole hour and 46 minutes, so market could still come up a little bit. But right now, this movement to the downside is very strong. Kijune's pointed down, our blue line, our Tenkan-sen's pointing down, Chiku span breakout right there, and the cloud is starting to do a Kumo twist. This market's coming down for a minute. I don't see how, you know, we could hold here for a little bit at 47 cents, range a little bit. If it ranges, I'll give it a little bit of hope, but I would have to check the smaller time frames. But for now, my next target would be 43 cents for now. If we go past that, I said, you guys, if you watch my earlier video, I said if we break past that level, expect prices to fall back here in the 32, 34 cent range. The reason why is because we have not tested that level yet. And you guys, y'all get trigger happy when y'all see, you know, big prices and big things happen. I said once we break that 34 cent level, I want to see it test back at that level. You have to understand the bigger time frames speak more than the lower time frames. If you are focused on the lower time frames, you're missing the bigger picture. Focus on the bigger time frames. We had a breakout at that 34 cent level that has not been tested yet. It has not. So they can very much easily push the market back here to test it. Make sure it is a sound level of support. And if the bulls do hold that level, then we could see higher prices and definitely move back into the higher price range in the 90 cent range, a dollar range. But right now, it's going to really be determined by this week's candle. All right. If we get a bearish close underneath this Kijun level, which it looks like we may, we could very easily see 34 cents. And this is how I would draw up the market. And also we could come back down to this level, the 23 cent level, which is also something I did eye as well. It's the trend line down here. So I'll show you two bearish scenarios of what could happen. If you are a bear, this could happen here. This is the first one, coming back down to this 23, 24 cent level, and then a push higher. I don't think it'll get lower than this. If it does, wow, that'll be crazy, but that'll be a true shakeout. But I do think price will bounce from that point. Now, here's the second scenario that I see happening. And this is what I'm leaning more towards than the first one. I see that the market could come back to test this 32, 34 cent range, hold in there, and then move back, and we could make an N wave to the upside like this. All right. So if we do manage to do something like this, this will be my targets. Let me do this real fast so y'all can see it. Boom. Boom. Let's say we come back down to the 34 cent level. This is where I would see the market going. And you see how we got our targets already in place if it does make that N wave structure right there. So that's what I'm seeing for this market for XRP. Push back to the downside, then a possible move back to the upside. Right now, it's hard to say because we need a weekly candle close. But we also have to be smart and sound in what's going on currently. Now, let me show you why the market is more likely to move to the downside right now. Okay, so we have a Kumo breakout. We have 21 hours before this daily candle closes. 21 hours and 42 minutes to be exact when this candle closes. So, like I said, anything could happen. They could still fake everybody out right here and pump it. But right now, since that news is, it's not good news, and we know XRP does really bad with news like this whenever it comes to the SEC. We know that the market tends to want to drop to the downside. So right here, I am seeing the market wanting to push lower. We may push back down to this 43-cent range, which is what I'm eyeing. We break here, we'll definitely see that 34-cent level. All right. So right here, these two levels is what I'm paying attention to. All right. So let's see. Let me fix that right there. So you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. If you think this is going to be a fake out, you think it's going to be a continuation to the downside, I want to hear you guys' thoughts. I want to hear your opinions. I want to know what you think about this market, because a lot of people need to understand that this market it moves when it wants to move, and you have to do multiple time frame analysis to understand where the market's truly trying to go. Even here, we had a Chiku span breakout with the white line and price push lower. So this was also a signal right in this area that we should start looking for a short. We had a bearish cross here, and now market is getting back into equilibrium. So we might see the market start to either hold here or push lower. But we have to be patient. You have to wait it out. Wait for the daily candle to close first. When the daily candle closes, then you'll have a better idea of where the market is going to go. A lot of times when people do day trading, what they lack is patience as far as waiting for the candle to close. When you don't wait for that candle to close, you could get misinformation. There has been times where I have blown my account. And I'll be honest, I have blown several accounts because I wasn't patient. And when I learned that I had to be patient watching the market, I said, okay, well, I see how the big boys play the market, so I'm going to hold my position and I'm going to be patient and sit on and wait until that candle closes. You have to be patient, you guys. You can't just jump into the market blindly. This is how day trading works. This is how big money plays. This is a chess game on the board, on the charts. It's literally two people playing, literally called bulls and bears. It takes two people to play chess. It takes two people to move the market, either bulls or bears. You can't be neutral. The only time you're neutral is when the market is going in consolidation, and then you have to kind of decide what side you want to be on for price to move either up or down. All right. You have to understand when it enters into consolidation phases. I'll show you like an example. So right in here, this is a consolidation phase, and I could actually move this lower. But whenever you get into consolidation phase, this is indecision. This is bulls and bears. They haven't come to a consensus yet, and they don't know what they want to do. They don't even know if they want to push the market down. They don't know if they want to push the market up. They're trying to decide what the price should be in these areas. Now, when you get that breakout outside of that consolidation phase, that's when they start pushing the market in that direction. And bulls, depending on who wins, like in this case, we see that the bulls won with that breakout. So when that happens, that's when the markets, the market makers, bulls and bears, the players of the market, that's when somebody has to take a loss, and they have to close out with losses, and they get liquidated. Always know when these moves happen, somebody is winning, somebody is losing out. Everybody cannot be a winner in this financial market. Somebody has to take a hit for somebody to succeed. That's just how this market is designed. That's why a lot of people should not participate in day trading if they don't have the psychology behind it, if they don't have the mental capacity, if they don't have patience, especially, you should not even touch day trading. And I always tell people, if you become my student, you need to have patience, because this is not a get quick rich scheme. This is not a get quick rich overnight celebrity type of deal. This is real deal trading. And you people do not understand. It takes time. It takes time. So that being said, let me see what you guys are saying in the comments. I could go on all day with this, but just know that the market is being moved how it wants to move. So let's see. So quite a few comments tonight. Let's see. What's up, Edgar? How you doing? God bless. Hope you're doing well, fam. Nice to have you out on here tonight. Oh yeah, so are y'all looking at the northern star tonight? Since all the planets are aligned, some of you guys are talking about superpowers and stuff on Twitter. I was laughing. But what are you guys doing? Have y'all went outside to check out the Northern Star? If y'all could see it in your area, tell me what you think or what you're doing with that situation. So you said, Rodney, you said you think it's a fake out. Tech savvy, you said I want 2021 to be good, but they could make it the biggest shakeout. That's definitely true. Robbie, you God bless you, brother. Nice having you on here tonight. Thank you for being on here. Edgar, you said Dogecoin is up. Dogecoin, yeah, Dogecoin, man. Out of all things, Dogecoin is up. Let's see. You said I was between 44 cents and 46 cents to finish. Excuse me. But it's hard to tell. Exactly, it is hard to tell because right now, you don't want to just jump in blindly in this market because you will get ate up. They are hawking people right now. I was like literally this Saturday, I had a live trading session with my students. Like I was seeing a buying opportunity right here. It was saying buy right here. The thing that I missed was this right here, this move right here. But what ended up happening was it was funny because what ended up happening in here, I took a long position and I was up. And I was like, okay, so next thing you know, the next day, the next few hours, they dumped the market. They changed the market on me so fast. I said, well, what happened? If you miss just one detail in your trade, you will mess up. I'm telling you. You said, brother, do you teach on Forex? Yes, Jarvis Garcia, I teach on Forex and crypto. I actually was talking to some people in my group, well, my God, I had a brain fart just now. I was talking to some people in my Discord group about Forex trading and crypto trading. I actually teach both. So, yes, if you are interested in being a Forex trader as well, reach out to me and I'll put you in my student section in the Discord if you want to be a student to learning Forex as well. So definitely consider it. If you guys have not already smashed that like button, smash that like button, you guys. I would appreciate it. Also, if you have not subscribed or if you are new to this channel, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy yourself, you guys. I always like to make this like a family atmosphere and, have people enjoy the content that I give. So you said you're in Ohio, too cloudy. What's up, Joseph? Too cloudy here in Illinois. Okay, I see. So y'all won't be looking at the stars tonight. Jarvis, you said a pump fake. Yeah, that's definitely a pump fake. You said the people that signed up for the airdrop, did you get the airdrop coins? I still didn't get mine. No, I did not participate in that. I have told people many times I'm not participating in the airdrop. I just think it's another scam. I don't know how. When it comes to this financial stuff, I don't trust everything that I see in this financial game. There's some stuff that I pray about. I prayed about the airdrop, and God didn't give me an answer on it. So I just said, if He does not give me an answer, I'm just gonna leave it alone and stay away from it. There's some things that when I pray about something, I always try to acknowledge God first. There's Proverbs 3, 5 and 6. He said, acknowledge Him in all thy ways and He shall direct thy path. So whenever you acknowledge Him and if He don't say nothing, don't even bother doing it. That's just from my experience. I'm just passing that down to you. So if you want to, participate in that, that's your business. That has nothing to do with me. Me personally, I'm not participating in the airdrop. You said, do you think XRP can touch 43 cents? Yes, I do. I was actually talking about that before you got on here, Collins. Let's see. What's up, Jake? How you doing, man? Appreciate you being on here. Nice to see you again. You said just jumping in. What's good, big dog? Yeah, it's all good right now, man. I was telling people that this market is going to drop, man. I said this on Twitter. I said this in my Discord group. I was telling my students to short. Hopefully they took some profit, at least take at least half, because if you take at least half, you win. You have some type of victory, because they could easily push the market up again and then dump it down. You have to realize a whole daily candle is a long time to close. So if you're gonna trade the daily charts, you have to have quite a bit of capital, or you have to be really sound in your risk management. And that's why I like using a Forex broker to trade crypto. It's easier to manage your trading on a Forex broker than it is a crypto exchange. And another thing, I don't even like trading on crypto exchanges because it's too confusing. They have so many things you have to press and dial in. I don't have time for that. I just want to press two buttons and be done. That's just me though. Let's see. Let me read what you said. You said you won't get them for a while. Yeah, aren't they giving those out for like next year, right? Oh yeah. So yeah, you did confirm that. So yeah, mid quarter Q1 21st. Yeah. So yeah, that's what you. Okay. So yeah, they're not gonna give those out for a while anyway. Let's see. You said Ripple getting sued by the SEC. Big news. Yes, Russell, that is big news. I think like it is a front. I don't. There's no reason for them to sue them, but it's all a front. If we really look at this, it's all a front. It's to have an excuse to push the market in the direction that they want to push it in. You said true, too confusing on crypto exchange. Yeah, crypto exchanges, I can't stand trading on a crypto exchange. And depending on what exchange you're on, the fees are ridiculous. So it could go good or bad depending on what you want. But anyway, if you guys are, I know some of you are new on here. So if you are new on this channel, I know the reason why I know, I'm looking at the numbers right now. But if you are new to this channel, say hello, say where you're from. I want to know where you're from. I want to know what country, city, state, continent that you're from. I see some new things on it. So I see the numbers. So hit that like button. Get some more people in this live stream. It helps the algorithm, and I appreciate that a lot. So Canada, we got Illinois here. Nice, that's what's up. You said it will confirm XRP as a security. They always say XRP is a security. I don't think XRP will be considered a security. If it is, I'll be very shocked. I don't see why. You said you follow me on Twitter. You're a G. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I try to be a G till the day that I die. I'm just playing. But anyway, I try, man. You said South Central LA. Hey, that's what's up. Okay, Belgium. But you're Nigerian? Okay. I'm Nigerian too, man. I'm Nigerian too, just letting you know. Let's see. You said any true. Wait. I don't know if you said that right. You said any truth to Amazon going with. So you meant to say, is there any truth to Amazon going to Dogecoin for payment? I have no idea. That's my first time hearing that. What I'll do, I'll look into that. I could definitely look into that and see if that's the case, because if that's the case, that'd be interesting. But I don't think Dogecoin will be used for payments. That don't even sound right. That don't even sound right at all. Like Dogecoin out of all coins. Like, I don't know, Dogecoin. Yeah, that don't make sense. Tech savvy, you just said not at all. LOL. See, exactly. I agree with that. You said Russell. You said Ripple has to prove the money raised on XRP was being used to promote utility of the token, not promoting other projects in the Ripple system. Yeah, that's big. If they don't prove, if that's the case, they have to prove it. XRP bull, what's up? Yeah, but they need to figure that out. It's funny because I always say Brad Garlinghouse. I don't even care if he's watching. He always dodges questions. You see that he always dodges questions when what's that girl's name? That newscaster Julia Chatterley or whatever her name is. Chatterley. I just know her last name. Her. Anyway, every time she asks him a direct question, he always manages to dodge the question or move away from answering it wholeheartedly. Reasons why, if you're a transparent company and XRP is as transparent as you say, you should be as transparent as your token is. I'm just saying. If you really want to gain people's trust, tell it like it is, man. Even if people don't like it. I'm just saying, like, at least you're honest. You put it up to the forefront. I think he should tell it all. But if he's hiding stuff just because it's like private business stuff, okay, maybe. But certain things she had asked him is definitely not, something he should be hiding. Let me see. Let me read some of y'all's comments. You said, how much development have you seen from XRP token in the past 3 years? Nothing. I think he is on a private jet to Dubai right now. Hey, I would have doubted, but that's his business. Whatever, if he gets in trouble, that's on him. You know, what's up, vet bro? How you doing? You said they would say NDAs. I'm pretty sure that might be the, yeah, that pretty much be it. You said thoughts on GRT. Okay, I'll take a look at that in a second. Let me just read this last comment. You said that's easy to prove. Ripple gave XRP to universities, game developers, etc. to expand the ecosystem. Everything is on the ledger too, so it's be easy to see where they spent their XRP. Okay, 4 hours. Okay. So I'm gonna look at that GRT for you. If you guys have any requests, put your requests down below. I'm gonna take a few requests today. Cause I don't want to die tonight, but I'm gonna take a few requests. Also, Zenfin is like a buy right now, so if you see Zenfin pump tomorrow, don't be surprised. Just letting you guys know. I'm not even gonna analyze Zenfin, so don't even ask me. But Zenfin is looking like a buy, so you could buy some Zenfin. I was actually looking at it before I got on, not too long ago. Dang, y'all are typing a lot today. You said, okay, let me type that in. All right, let me see. Ooh, I don't think they have. Did I put that in right? Hold on a second. Let me make sure I put that in right. Okay, so okay, good. Let's see. All right, so here it is. Yeah, I was making sure I had that right. I was like, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, y'all actually have a lot in the comment section. I might actually not get to read all y'all's requests. So hopefully, let me see how fast I could analyze this. Depending on how fast I could analyze this, I could move on to the next. Ooh, right off the bat, graph looks bearish. Okay, so we have a bearish cloud forming, not necessarily saying that's a bad thing. Right now here, this market is flat for sure. And everything is bearish. We are under the cloud. Cheap spam broke price, and it's underneath price as well. So we are very much bearish right now here. Let's see. Let me see. So right now for this, I am looking at this market being bearish. What is this? I am looking at this market being bearish right now. It is ranging in this box as I figured. What I want to see here, and I'm gonna go to the 4 hours. No, actually, I'm gonna go to the. Actually, no, this is actually perfect. Let me go to the. This is actually the 1 hour time frame. My bad. Let me go to that daily chart real quick. Okay, so this daily chart is bullish right now because of what the market is doing. But you have two candles back to back, right? Oh, you have this bearish candle that's a piercing line. It's actually almost an engulfing candle, so this could still move lower. Let me check that 4 hour real fast. 4 hour here, we just broke underneath the tinking here. Okay, so this is what needs to happen right now. I'm gonna confirm this on the 1 hour time frame. What I would do for this particular move, I would check this out on the 1 hour and also on the 15 on how to get in a better position on this market. Market is in a obvious range for sure. I don't even need to, argue about that. That's an obvious range. So what I'll do, I'll make this visible on the 15-minute chart. That's as low as I'll go. Right here, coming back to the 15, it's in an obvious range like I was saying. This market is looking like it wants to push lower. Span A is angled down, span B is flat, key June's angled down. The only thing that the market needs to do now is break outside this range, and then we'll see prices dip lower. Everything is pointing bearish. The stochastic is bearish here, and also the ultimate oscillator, which I want to see where it's at here. I want to put it at the 50 line. So give me a second for that. All right, so there, right there. It is underneath the 50, so this is looking more bearish than anything. What needs to happen, don't be surprised if it does pull back up in here. Overall, it is going to drop from what I'm looking at. When did this crypto come out? I want to know when did this crypto come out? What's the project on Graph? Because I had people request this in the Discord. I said I don't know enough about it, and then now you're asking me about it. The chart looks bearish, so I'm leaning towards the bears here. Another thing that I do also see, and I'm gonna show you real quick here. The market is making lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So what could happen? Like I said, it could still pull to the upside, and I'll show you the reason why. Is we could still pull up here, but when we get there, how's it going to respond here? More like this. Make another lower high and then push lower. So that's what I see here for Graph. I see the market pushing lower. And if it pushes lower here first, where we could get a break outside the box, we could break out here and move lower. So as far as investing in it yet, I wouldn't touch it yet. Plus the market's in consolidation anyway, so I don't even care about consolidation markets. I only wait whenever it's in a range like this or a consolidation. I wait for the breakout because that's how you trade consolidation. A lot of the times, and I won't give you a secret what institutional traders do. Whenever institutional traders consolidate the markets, because they don't know what they want to do yet. So either what's going on, they're either accumulating or they're distributing that coin or that asset or whatever that whatever you're trading. So whatever happens here, you wait for that breakout to happen. Once that breakout happens, that's when you take it. You don't want to ever trade consolidation. That's too dangerous, because that if you trade what you see, not what you feel. So right now what I'm seeing is in consolidation. This means don't even touch it yet. Don't look for nothing yet. Wait for the breakout. That's how you trade this. That's how you get involved in this chart right here. All right. But I'm still leaning more for the bears, just based off the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. And then the 15-minute is looking very bearish as well. So I'm leaning towards the bears taking over this market. All right. So that's what I have here for Graph. Let me also see y'all's other. Did you say Chancla? Is it called Chancla coin for real? Like the flip flop, the legendary Chancla that people be talking about their parents beating them with. Because if that's the case, that's funny. So I'll do Chancla, and then I'll do Cardano, and then VeChain. So Chancla, Cardano, VeChain. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't even know if they even have that coin. Wait. Did I even spell that right? Let me make sure I even spelled that right. Yeah, I spelled that right. I don't think they have that on here. Yeah, they don't have that on here, so I can't analyze that for you. So I'll have to pick another one. Let me see. So I'm going to do Cardano or ADA, whatever you want to call it. Cardano, ADA, same thing to me. Let me look at Cardano, then VeChain, and then we'll go from there. So let's go back to this one. Where is it at? Okay, where? Oh man, I need to put these in. Here we go, right there. I haven't looked at this one in a long time now that I think about it. Yeah, it's been a minute since I looked at ADA. So right now for this one, it looks like it wants to range a little bit. Based off the daily time frame, we will get a pullback. I just don't see how high it will go. It's stuck inside here, which means the market is ranging. So I'll have to come to the lower time frame to confirm. This is also pointing up, so this is saying that we are still bullish. This is a pretty thick cloud, and then right here, span B is flat, so we need to break that high for this to angle up, and then we'll start trending again. But right now, let's go to the 4-hour chart and confirm some stuff. Let's see. Yes, even here it's saying that we may want to push up just a little bit higher. So really, in theory, what you would want to do, I think it'll come up to here. All right, we could see Cardano, ADA, whatever you want to call it, come up to here. Depending on how it responds in this box, this zone here, that's when you would take it. I'm still leaning for this market to push lower, and I'll show you why. Okay, just based off that daily time frame, I'll show you why here in a sec. Actually, let me show you. All right, So market is out of equilibrium. So if this does come up, the market will stall. What needs to happen is the price needs to get above our red line here, which is our Tinkin. Whenever the market is riding on the red line, that means it's a strong trend. Let me show you how I know this. Because if you see back here, this is why I like using this indicator. I don't even like calling it indicator. I like calling it a system. But whenever you use this system here, look how price rides on the red line. Whenever it rides on the red line like this, that's how you know it's a strong trend. And even here, even though the market dipped down, look what happened. It respected it overall and still start riding back on the red line. So once it breaks through the red line, then you have to be cautious because you have that blue level next. But right now, I'm looking at this market potentially, taking a little dive, especially because it's stuck here. Whenever you see the Chiku span stuck in here, the market's going to range. And it's obvious that this range is between 17 cents and 13 cents. So we are in this range. So knowing that alone just lets us know that we should, be cautious of how to invest in this area. Now, going back to what I was saying, the 4-hour chart's looking weak. We had a Chiku span breakout at price here. Price dipped underneath, but you see here it mimics the price. Then also we may get this pullback like I was saying. So this is what I'm seeing for this market. Where is it at? Here we go. So seeing that pullback into here, and then potentially another move to the downside. But I want to see how it responds here first. But I do know for the short time being, it is going to come up to here. So this is what I'm going to do. We'll put this at least for a 3.74% increase right there, at least. After that, I don't know. We'll see. I want to see how it responds when we get back into this zone. Because what's going to happen is Chiku span's going to come up, and Chiku span may be right here. So we might get a bounce right there with our Chiku span. If we get a breakthrough, then that's when we could look for a long position and start going up back to these highs up here. So that's just something to look out for, to be patient for. Let me see one more thing. Yeah, even here on the 1-hour time frame, it is starting to stall out here. So we may move back up here first, and then depending on what we see here, we could then move back to the downside. So I'm going to wait on that. I still see this going bearish, just because the market is looking weak on the 4-hour time frame, and also taking off the cloud. If you zoom out, this is why you got to zoom out. We got a double top right here. So realistically, if the market does decide to take a hit overall, we'll make this pattern right here. You see that? So this is something that I will look for. The only way that I would take this all the way to the downside, if we break that 13 cent 585.7 level. If we break this level down here, that's when I'll take that short to the downside. If we don't get a break there, then I'm gonna keep my position. I would keep my position long, but a break here would definitely take us down here to complete this M pattern or this double top. All right, so that's something that I would be paying attention to if I were you. All right, in this flat part of the cloud, let me also say this: whenever you see the cloud this flat, that's a level of support. So you just draw a line there, put a line there, you have your support level right there in place. All right, so I'm done with that one. Next is VeChain. So let's take a look at VeChain. You said yes, dive please. Someone wants to make some money, I see. You said check your inbox on Twitter. I just sent you a bombshell. You want me to check it right now, or you want me to check it after the live stream? How important is it? Because if you want me to check it right now, I'll check it. If not, I'll check it after the live stream. Okay, yeah, that's what I was getting. Let me get back on track. VeChain. All right, so last time we looked at VeChain, this was our entry to the short side. You see we broke this channel here, and you see the market took a dippity dip. So now what the market is trying to do, let's see. Let me zoom in here to see. So we have a Chiku span breakout, which is bullish right now. But how long would it be bullish for is the question. Okay, let me go ahead and take that off. I don't need that no more. So looking at this, oh man, you know what? I want to say this, just based off the daily time frame. I want to wait for that daily candle to close. We do have strong rejection with that prior candle, which is a good sign to move up higher. You see how strong that rejection was. I could take off the candles. You could see how, I mean, the chart clouds. If you see this, that was very strong rejection, saying that we may pull back up. So that is a good sign. So coming back down to the 4-hour chart, let's take a look. Yeah, I like that. You know what I'm gonna do? Take this off. Let me go back to that daily chart real quick. And there is something that I need to figure out right now, because this market is very different. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out if I want to put it here or here. I think I'm gonna put it right in here. Yeah, the reason why I want to put it here, this is the high. This level here is the high right there. All right. So whenever you see that, that's, you got to break this high again to get back higher. That's why I'd rather wait for this daily candle to close, just to make sure and confirm that this is going to go up. Right now, I do see it going up at least back into this red zone, but I need to wait for that daily candle to confirm, because we could easily push lower. Let me see the 4-hour real quick. Oh man, I keep forgetting. Hold on a second. Here we go. So right here, this is what I like. Okay, this is let me show you what I like here. Okay, so we could easily come back into this zone, right? Because we have a flat key drill. Whenever we have a flat key drill, it may act as a magnet to push price up. We also have a piercing line candlestick formation, which also is indicating that potentially bulls may enter this market. Potentially, not saying they will, but they can potentially enter. Now, here's another thing. Price action always overrides, the cloud. Even though we have span A pointing down and B flat, overall they're saying that the market is bearish on the 4-hour time frame. So if we really want to get in here, the 15 minute and the hour time frame is where we would trade. Look for a trading opportunity. So you see here the market is in consolidation. Once again, like I say, you guys, you do not want to play with these people. Do not play with them. They will hijack your money. My students know, I know, they like to trap you in this type of market, and you'll be stuck here. You wait for the breakout. All right, you wait for the breakout. Based off this time frame, it's saying that we are looking for a potential long here, and I'm gonna explain why. Let me just change this real quick. There we go. There we go, right there. So we have a bullish engulfing candle, which is about to close in 9 minutes and 27 seconds. So once that closes, I'm expecting the market to come back up here. So that is a signal that the market does want to push higher. Cloud is starting to round out, which is saying that we could still, we could curve up and start pushing higher. So like I said, you want to test this market on the 15-minute and the hour time frame. Coming back here, actually, you know what? Let me go back to the hour real quick. I want to make sure that this is visible on the 15-minute time frame before anything else. Okay, so coming back here on the 15-minute time frame, we see what's going on. Let's see. Let me make sure that we have a Ichimoku breakout. So we have a Ichimoku span breakout right here, which is bearish. No, which is bullish. We just broke above price. Have a bullish engulfing candle right here as well. Putting that back on. We could definitely come back up to here. I want to see how strong that is first. So if I put that there, let me change this real quick. Let me see. All right, so here we go. We have not crossed the 50 line yet, so it is still in bear territory. What I would look for is for the ultimate oscillator to cross above the 50 level, and you see that it currently is sitting at 46. So once this crosses above the 50 level, and I used to use this indicator a lot because it actually helped me in my trading. And I'm actually bringing it back because it actually is very useful and for what it does. But here, Ultimate Oscillator, not the Ultimate, the RCI is also saying we're still in bearish territory. Even though we got a bullish signal here, that's still not enough, because what needs to happen is this blue line or the green line needs to cross above the 0 level to confirm a buy. And right now I'm not seeing that. Ultimate Oscillator is still underneath 50, so it's still bearish territory. So this might pull back a little bit. This candle closes in 7 minutes. So once this candle closes in 7 minutes, I could see this market potentially pushing lower. All right. So you gotta be careful with that. Now, this is what I do want to say. I do know there's some new people hopping on this live stream. So if you are new to this live stream, smash that like button. Give me that thumbs up, you guys. Also, hit that subscribe button, because I do know there's some new numbers coming in. I see the people fluctuating in and out. So it would help the algorithm out to have people jump on this live stream. I would appreciate that. But yes, if you are also new, because I do see some new numbers coming on. If you are new to this channel, tell me where you're from, and let me know what you think about this current market. I do see some new people entering this live stream, so let me know where you're from. Let me see. Okay, so you said better a nuke. Okay, so Anthony, you want me to check the inbox right now? Let me just go ahead and read it. Let me see what you are saying, because I want to, if it's that important, it must be like real. Let me see. Okay, so you said Ripple says it's about to be sued by the SEC. Okay. Let me see. So let me read some of the article that you sent me, and I'll give my thoughts on it. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but I'll read some of it. So it says Ripple, one of the most important companies in the cryptocurrency industry, said Monday evening that the Securities and Exchange SEC is poised to file a bombshell lawsuit against the company over alleged sale of unlicensed securities. How have we been through this over and over? How many times are we going to go through this? I thought, okay, let me just finish. Let me get through this. So here it says the lawsuit will be also named Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen as defendants, according to Garlinghouse, who told Fortune, I guess their magazine article, the agency will file the case in the near future. Judith Burns, a spokesperson for the SEC, declined Fortune's request for comment about the lawsuit or to confirm that there would be one. Interesting. Wait. Let me read that again. So Judith Burns, who speaks for the SEC, declined the Fortune's request for comments about the lawsuit. I'm not sure how I feel about that part yet. That sounds a little fishy there. Okay, so here it reads, if the agency does sue Ripple, the action will follow years of debate between the company and the Hey, didn't we talk about that in the Discord group? That could be years. I'm pretty sure we talked about that. So let me continue to read it. If the agency does sue Ripple, the action will follow years of debate between the company and the agency about whether XRP, a digital currency associated with Ripple, is a security like a share or stock, which must be registered with the agency, or is instead a currency and thus beyond the SEC's purview. XRP is the third most valuable cryptocurrency. They lied, because right now XRP is sitting at number 4, but all right, they want to boost XRP now and make it bigger than what. Okay, so it currently has a market cap of 23 billion. Ripple's decision to announce that it is about to be sued is an unusual one. Garlinghouse has predicted the incoming Biden administration may be friendlier to the cryptocurrency industry than the Trump administration has been, suggesting that Ripple's preemptive announcement may have a political component. And yeah, you know what? This is actually something that this actually may This actually, reading this article here that you sent me, this actually may conclude what my theory was about the crypto space, because them saying that Biden winning, because I don't think y'all notice, and also if you look at V chain right now, it's moving up. But anyway, what I was saying, this might conclude my theory on the crypto space, because y'all do know that Biden is and forgive me for my French, he is a ass kisser of China. Sorry, but he is. He's a sellout. Biden's a sellout, and he's selling out our country to China. And if you notice that when they announced him to be the president elect, that the crypto space went up. If you guys paid attention to that day when they announced it, crypto space went up. All right, you could go back in time, and when they announced it, you could see then the charts went up. All right, excuse me. But anyway, so I'm about to get into my theory. I'm about to finish some of this article or the rest of it. So let's see. Suggesting that the Ripple's preemptive announcement may have a political component. Garlinghouse also blasted the SEC's decision to sue right before the holidays. Yeah, that is kind of a a loser move right there. That's low. That's a low move right there. To sue someone right before the holidays, that's a low blow. That's silly. So I don't blame Brad Garlinghouse on that, calling him out on that. But he's here says blasted the SEC's decision to sue right before the holidays and said Ripple will fight the case. It's not just Grinch worthy. It's shocking, said Garlinghouse. It's an attack on the entire crypto industry and American innovation. All right. And then the article goes on. You know what? I'm actually going to share this article in the Discord group and also on Twitter. So I'm pretty sure that it's already on Twitter, but I'm going to share it anyway. But yeah, that's very crazy, man, to even... My thoughts on that, I'm not surprised. They always do this to XRP holders. It just doesn't make sense. And like I said, Biden, once again, is a ass kisser to the Chinese economy, the Chinese party, Chinese people, whatever. If you got to understand, he's trying to sell out this country to China. Why do you think we're already doing all these things that are in favor of China already? They already teaching you to wear a mask on your face, like China. No offense to China. They're already teaching you how to be not really think for yourselves, because when you question their agenda, you get fact checked on social media, or you get your post removed. So I have said this before, politics will play a major role in this crypto space. But here's the thing, I do not, like I said before, I still don't think Biden's going to be, for some reason, I still don't believe Biden's going to be in the seat that they think he's going to be in. The reason why, and for one, from what God showed me, two, there's a lot of fraud that has happened there this election that's going to be put to light, and when it does, then they'll go from there, and then Trump will be back in office. Now, here's my theory on the crypto space, and this is what I was talking to you about, Anthony, in the Discord group, because this has come to my mind several times, and it's because of what's it called? It's because of when they announced Biden so-called winning, and I saw the crypto space go up, and Bitcoin made new highs. What the crazy thing that came to my mind was, if they do this now, it's going to be terrible in the future. It will be a dirty future, which is why I still believe Trump will, still be in office, and you'll see why. You'll see it's happen, but you could disagree or agree. It doesn't matter. But the thing that happened, that I think will happen once this does happen, I think the crypto space will dump, and you notice that the crypto space has been dumping because a lot of people are finding out that this election is fraud. When it finally dumps, they might jump it back to like 22 cents, like some of us think. Some of us think maybe lower. I don't know if it'll go lower than 22 cents, but that'd be great. But anyway, gives us a chance to buy some more. But I said 4 years. In 4 years, they'll push the crypto agenda harder than ever, and maybe it will take off next. I said this: if it does not take off between now and next year, it'll take another 4 years for crypto to go. And the reason why I say that, because they're sitting on long money, because they could wait for a long time if they really wanted to, and keep the market trading how they want to. All right, that's just my thoughts. You don't have to agree with me, y'all. That's just what I've been noticing. But you guys give me your thoughts and opinions on it. I'll listen to what you guys have to say in the chat box. And if I agree, I agree. If I disagree, I disagree. But you know, I like to hear different perspective, maybe reason about it, because anything could happen right now. But I'm still leaning for this market to take another hit. Let's see. Let me go up. All right, so Stewart responded on Twitter in 2015. The U.S. government concluded XRP was a virtual currency. Here's the plus side: the industry will finally get the clarity it deserves. Yes, yeah, I agree. I don't know who Stewart is, whoever that person is, but that's a good sign right there. You said thumbs up from me. Thank you for the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Kyle Grant, how you doing? I see you're new to this channel. At least I had never seen your name. You said, yeah, okay, you're from Harlem, New York. That's cool, man. Welcome. You said, how much for my course? So if you're going to do the lifetime membership, it is $300. If you're going to do the month to month, it is $50. And what you would do, you join by the you join by the YouTube section and hit the join button, and for the month to month. Now, if you want the lifetime membership, you have to personally message me on Twitter, and we'll go from there. What's up, Corey? How you doing? You said, yes, I came on here to hear about the SEC lawsuit. I was about to buy more XRP. Yeah, don't buy any more XRP right now. Not yet. Not yet, my friend. Not yet. Ronnie, you said nope for what? I don't know what you said nope to. You said that's why they made the amendment 25. I don't know what you are addressing right there, but if you could type it out, I'll read what you have to say. Camilla, no, we won't have no woman president for a while, man. That's their goal, but we won't have a woman president for a minute. No, I don't. I do believe that if he does get in office, which he won't, I do believe that she would replace him. But they have another agenda behind her, which is push the female, what's it called? Female power. Anyway, I could get into that, but I'm not gonna do that today. Jake, you said from what I read, there will be debates on, within Congress on January 6th from reps from each state, and Pence will be the one deciding which electoral votes are valid and will be counted. Okay, great. But like I said, Trump will be back in office, you guys. I'm just letting you guys know. It will happen. Let's see. What's up, J5? How you doing? You said, God bless you, bro. Keep up the great work. Thank you, J5. I appreciate. God bless you, too, for being on this live stream. I appreciate that wholeheartedly, man. If you guys are new on this, because I see the numbers are still fluctuating, going up and down. If you are new on this live stream, say where you're from, and also say what's up. Also, hit that like button. It helps out the algorithm. It helps people find this live stream. I would kindly appreciate that. So smash that like button, you guys. I don't know how many likes I have right now for this live stream, but let's get this to 50 likes plus. If we could get that to 50 likes plus, I would appreciate that a lot. But we have 27 people on right now. There should at least be 27 likes on this live stream, at least. So bless me with just one like, please. Just please. All right. Anyway, Chicago, brother. That's what's up, Chicago. I might need to check out Chicago because you said what's good with it. Hey, it's all good, man. It's true. It's all good. It's all good down here. Dallas, Texas, baby. You know how it is. Yeah, how's Chicago been doing? I've been hearing all sorts of stuff from Chicago. All right, Jake, you take it easy, man. God bless you. Take it easy. Have a good one, bro. Thanks for jumping on the live stream. But yeah, you said yeah. How's Chicago been? I've been hearing some different types of stuff about Chicago. Y'all been going through some stuff out there, from what I've been hearing. Let me see. So let me see. Any more requests? I'll take another request. If y'all have a request, I'll take a request for analysis. Don't be shy. I will get to it if I get to it, but let me know. Let's see. In the meantime, I will wait for you guys to give me your request. So I'm gonna check my phone until y'all say something. But you guys, yeah, I do appreciate you for being on this live stream tonight. Cause y'all could be anywhere else, but y'all decided to be here. So I take that to heart, and I appreciate that because y'all really don't have to be here. But y'all still gave me y'all's time and blessed me with y'all's time, so I appreciate that a lot. Let's see. Dang, my Twitter is blowing up right now. I got some posts to catch up with later. All right, so Zill and Algo got y'all. Let's go with Zill, and then I'll hit you with that Algo. Let me find it. I know I have it on here. I just don't know. I have so many crypto pairs on this one. Okay, I guess I don't have it on. Oh, here it is, right there. All right. So looking at Zill. And actually, I need to clean this chart up. All right. Sweet, perfect. Okay, let me start this one over and let me make it fresh and clean. All right, so market is about to go flat because Kijun's about to go flat here. So we may get some type of correction in this market, at least back to the Tinkinson, or maybe even to this last low here. I'm going to say back to this zone at least. But from what I'm seeing, this market is starting to fade. So I will check this on the 4 hour and the 1 hour to confirm what's really going on. Overall, it is bullish just based off this move. This is an obvious bullish market. But will it remain bullish? That's the question. So here, oh man, this is a scary market. Hold on a second. Yeah, I would be very cautious playing in this market. Reason being, we are ranging between this high here, right there. Like, this is obvious. So we're ranging between this high here and this level here, which is at, well, between these two levels here. I'll make it red so y'all can see it. So between these two red lines, this is where we're ranging. All right. All right, so since we're ranging between here, you got to be cautious in this area because we could just stay in here for a long time. The 4 hour chart looks like it may just stay in that range. Everything is flat here. Everything is just dead in this market. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Everything's dead here too. Now, it is, for what I see right now, it is more bullish only because the Chiku span is above the price. But I don't think that's going to last long. I think this is going to take a dip right now. Once this white line crosses through the candles here, this is going to be underneath the candles, and which will be in bearish territory. And this cloud is pretty thick, so this is saying that we may take a hit to the downside. Now, another thing, let me take this off. This could be exactly what we saw on the other chart, which could be a double top pattern, which we would want to trade it right in this area for a drop to the downside. Once it breaks past this red zone, take this to the downside. All right. The next zone that could fall into will be right in here. All right. So once we get that dropping action, let me actually fix this. Once we get that dropping action down in here, that may complete the pattern. May. Unless it breaks this zone, then I'll be surprised. But We may get that move here. So that move, boom, boom, that double top. And the market likes to make this pattern a lot. A lot of people get beat up with this market. And this is actually one of the easiest patterns to trade in the market. The only danger of this is you gotta be careful around this neckline right here. Whenever you trade at the neckline, that's where you want to enter. And really, in reality, the neckline is really here, between this range. So you gotta really, you should trade it on based off the fractal, because that's the level that you really want to trade. But you could trade it here because that's where the body of the candle closed, right in here. You usually don't want to trade wicks. You can trade wicks, but if you don't trade wicks, trade the breakout of the fractal level and take it to down here. But for right now, I see that this market could potentially drop down here. I'm gonna say this is gonna drop at least into this zone. Now, I don't know how deep, but I do think it's going to drop back into this zone here. All right, that's what I have for ZIL. All right, the other one was Algo. Let's see what Algo's looking like. Haven't looked at Algo in a while either, so let's take a look. All right, so here's Algo. Let me clean this up. Throw that on there. Okay, so we just had a bullish breakout with the Chiku span. Let me see one thing real quick. Ooh. You know what? I might like this for a buy. Hold on a second. I might like this for a buy. All right. So we are in bullish territory. You know what? This is my... Okay, you know what? This is what I would say for this one, because I am liking this very strongly for a buy. All right. Now, here's the thing. And this is what I suggest you do. Because I always tell you guys, be patient, because you guys don't understand how this market could jack you up in a heartbeat. We have a bullish cross here, which is above price and above the clouds. So that's a strong buying signal. Chiku span just broke here. So that's another confirmation. RCI is also suggesting we are in buying territory. We're bullish. All right. So the last confirmation I would want to see is for the ultimate oscillator to break above 50, which will be bullish. So here, wait for the daily candle to close. I promise you. Because right now, I'm going based off the daily time frame. I'm not going to look at no other chart. But right now, I'm liking this because the daily is saying it's looking nice for a potential buy here. It's looking really nice. This breakout is what convinced me right there. And then holding here. Wait for the daily candle to close in the next 20 hours to confirm this market. Probably reach out to me, since you are my student. Reach out to me in the student Discord and remind me to look at this for you when the daily candle closes. So when that daily candle closes, I'll give you an update on this. But I don't want to confirm nothing yet because this daily candle could change fast. If you're looking for like big profits, don't even bother with the lower time frames. If you're looking for like big moves, the daily time frame is where you want to look. So if we do close bullish like this, I will let you know, because this could be a big trade for you, man, or big investing opportunity for you, because I like this setup right here. This setup looks pretty decent. Yeah, and then also looking at this weekly, we held here quite a bit, so we may start pushing back up to at least this flat level here. If we do manage to go from where we're at to here, you will have a 42% increase of profit right there, which is potentially where the market may want to push up to potentially. And let me show you why I say potentially, because these zones, you can't play around with zones. Let's see, the zone would be about right in here. So that fractal level, so this is the potential price you could get. So you could get between 25% to a good 40% there if you invest, wait for that daily candle to close. So you have a good chance of this trade. I like it, or investing opportunity. And also, if you look at it like this, zoom out, looking at it at the bigger picture here. Ooh, if that happens, you'll be sitting on a gold mine. If this happens here for you, man, I hope you cut me part of that. That's 226% right there. If it does follow this trend or this channel, if this becomes a potential channel, this is what you would make here. All right. I'm not calling that yet. I'm just saying that could potentially be the move. Because big investors, they use the higher time frames because they know they want to see the bigger overall picture of the market. And these are the levels that they pay attention to. So knowing this information, I really should be giving this away free. But knowing this information, this is how they look at the market. And let me let y'all know, I was going to work as a forex as a forex trader at Chase Bank. I filed my what's it called? I've put in my resume to work for Chase Bank to be a forex trader. So I could only dream what it would be like to trade $1 trillion account. Oh my god, or $1 million account with the bank. I would scream. I'll be like, yeah, we gonna make some money. But anyway, that's a story that almost happened. They never called me back. So if I ever get that type of money or position, I will definitely take it. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, let me see what y'all saying. Is that VIDT or VLDT? I don't know what that is. Hey, Yahoo, I love Algo. Yeah, Algo looks pretty good right now. I'm not gonna lie, Algo looks solid. Algo is looking pretty good. RMMR fam. I'm gonna just call you RM. I appreciate you being on my live stream first of all, and I appreciate what you said. You said always great TA. Thank you. I'm not trading and just holding XRP, XLM, Link, and Algo long term. May God bless our investments. Amen to that. May God bless our investments indeed. And also not just bless our investments, but also may God teach us how to keep our investments as well. Let us not spend our investments in stupidity. Because I know when some people get money, they spend their money on stupid stuff. So yeah, I do pray that God blesses our investments. But I also ask that he teaches us how to be good stewards of our investments as well. So I pray that right now in Jesus' name. Amen. You said, thanks for that Zill read. Much appreciated, bro. No problem, Joe. Appreciate you requesting it. So, Thomas, I don't know if you said if that's VIDT, but I'm going to look it up. I think that's VL or because I don't know. On my screen, the I looks or L, it looks funny. So let me see if I even have that. Oh, you see it's happening right now, you guys. You see that? For a graph, I said it's going to come up here. Boom. Then push down lower. But anyway, not on that one right now. So, I guess this is the coin that you're talking about. I'm not sure. Oh, so it is VIDT. Got you. Data link. Okay, great. Got you. I found it. All right, here we go. I have never looked at this one, but this should be... Ooh. You know what? I'm already bearish on this one. Yeah, I'm already bearish. Well, you know what? I'll tell you why I'm bearish on this one right now, but I think there's going to be a pullback first before it continues to go lower. All right, but I am bearish on this one, though. And I'll show you why. All right. But I do think, okay, so this is what's going to happen. We'll either come down here first, or we'll pull back up and then take a dip. We do have support here, which is not bad. Support is right there. So that is also an area that we need to pay attention to. Why is this line like that? There we go. Okay, so we do have support here. Actually, I should zone this, but that's fine. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to zone this better because it'll be a lot cleaner if I do that. So here in this area, and sorry, Thomas, I didn't really know about this one. I never really seen this or heard about this before. So yeah, this is going to be different. But the reason why I was bearish here is because with that Chiku span breakout right here in this area, that was a strong push to the downside. Like, you would have to catch that on a lower time frame to catch that move, because sometimes you can't catch all these big moves. But anyway, let me show you, or let me get into this analysis, see where this market is heading. Oh man, this market is weak. This market is weak. Yeah, we should be coming into this green zone soon. I don't think we'll have a pullback after all. I think what is going to come straight down into this green zone. And then once we get into this green zone, this will be buyer's territory. You see this green zone here? Let me teach y'all something real quick, because the reason why most of y'all like coming here, because I educate y'all on how to read charts too. So here, this is actually a demand zone. So a demand zone simply means a buyer's territory. So when we get back into this territory, this green zone here, everything above, slightly above this green zone to inside this green zone is buyer's territory. So you should look for buying opportunity in this green zone, not here, even though it could come up from this point. But right now the market is looking too strong to the downside. But this is the supply zone that I will look for buyers to really start entering the market. All right. I'm pretty sure the big investors see that too. They see that this market is where they want to potentially push this. If it dips lower than that, then this coin is destroyed, man. I'm just letting you know now. I'm just going to let you know this thing will drop. Right now it's at 39 cents. Okay, so that's not too bad. But yeah, so far it's looking weak. This is how I would get in on this. Let me turn this red. Actually, turn it white. So if you're going to jump in on this, wait for the breakout. So if you're going to short this market, wait for that breakout. All right. Once it breaks out of this range, because I told you guys, they like to consolidate the market a lot. Even in here, this small little area, consolidation, push up, boom. And you could trade it the same exact way. See that? Boom, breakout, take the money, take your profit up here. The market drops. Look at this. I could blow y'all's minds right now if I wanted to. So let me show you this area. So if I go to the 15 and the 5 minute, actually I'm gonna turn this box red. All right, I want to show y'all something real quick. What color should I turn this? I'm gonna turn this like this color. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys this real quick, and I'm gonna finish this analysis here. See that? It's just consolidation on a smaller level. If I go to the minute, you could trade any time frame, you guys, the same way. It doesn't matter. See that? It's just consolidation, and then you wait for that breakout. Take the breakout, boom, boom, boom. And now we have breakout here. Wait for the breakout. Once you get that breakout, take it. But you could literally trade all the time frames the same if you understand consolidation. But anyway, going back to what I was saying, right in here, it probably looks cleaner on the 15. Yeah, here on the 15, wait for this market to break out. All right, once it breaks outside this range, whatever direction, because like I said, they could still push the market up right here, but overall I see it coming down. Let me also do one more thing really quickly. I want to see something. Oh, that's dirty. They don't even allow me to check. Wow, that's kind of dirty. All right, so let me go back to where I was pointing this out to you. Because really the green zone should be right in here, but I can't really show you because they're not letting me go that far back. That's kind of messed up. Anyway, the green zone that I was telling you about, this is what I think is gonna happen. I think they're gonna push the market up a little bit, and then they're gonna continue to the downside. So this is what I believe it'll look like here. It's not gonna be a long term push to the upside. It's gonna be something like this. They'll probably push it up here and then push it right back down. And that would show, let me see. Let me take this off really quickly. Let me see something. Yeah, right there. Because the market is making obviously lower highs as well on the 15th. So we could push, like I said, push back. We could actually push back in here. But somewhere in this area, that's where I would look for a short position. Yeah, so right in here, I would look for a short and then take that down to finish out this move to the downside, which will be, whoa, where's my lines at? Okay, here we go. Which will push us back into this green zone. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing here for that. I don't know why they do this. They need to update their platform, because their platform is not good when it comes to analyzing charts. I might need to send them a message or something, because I don't like that. But anyway, I do have it coming back into this green zone. And like I said, 15 minutes happens before a day. So this is going to be happening on the 15-minute chart. So coming back to here, this could literally happen within 15 hours, if not, actually maybe even sooner. So let's say in the next, let's say in 4 hours we push to the upside in here, and then let's say the next, let's say 8 hours we're pushing down to the downside. All right, so that's possible. Let me go to the 4-hour chart again. Actually, let me go to the 2-hour chart. All right, 2-hour chart. Let me see. Yeah, so 2-hour chart makes sense, because if you look here on the 2-hour chart, you see where Tinkinson and Kijinson are. This is the level where I would look for the market to go to. And if I push this over right here, just like this, what I would look for in this particular area, push to the upside here, right in here, same thing, then knock it back down into here. All right, so that's what I have for this one, Thomas. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, Thomas. This one was for you. So I'm done with that one. Let's see. What's up, Black Stuntman? How we doing, man? Let's see. Okay, so Neil Cox, how you doing, man? He said, did you see the conjunction in the sky tonight? God announced Jesus' first coming with the star in the sky. Maybe he is announcing his second coming. Even so, come Lord Jesus. Exactly. I agree with you right there. I didn't get to see the star. I actually went outside. Hopefully it's still there, because I said, Lord, I want to see the star before the night's over. If I don't see it, then I'll be a little upset, but it's all good. But it could definitely mean that. He said, look toward the sky, because your redemption draweth nigh. So that could very well mean that his second coming. But there will be, there's still some stuff that needs to take place before his second coming anyway. So I don't know. We'll see though. Let's see. Thanks. You're welcome. Let's see. God bless everyone here. Can you look at any? Okay, I don't know if you, is it called N3RD or is it NERD? Because if that's the case, I'll fix that. Ronnie, you said, all right, next I gotta go off, brother. All right, Ronnie, take it easy, man. God bless you. Appreciate you being on here, man. Tumbleweed XRP, you said, thanks for the info. What do you know about Zenfin? I was actually saying earlier to buy Zenfin because right now it's in buying territory. So if I were you, you should buy some Zenfin right now. It might take off tomorrow. Let's see. So let me finish off with this last piece of analysis. I'll finish off Black Stuntman. If they don't have it, then I. Okay, so it's nerd, but you okay, cool. So if they don't have it, then I won't do it, and I'll just close the live stream here. But if they, this is gonna be the last thing I finish off with, and then I'm done for the night. It don't look like they have it. Yeah, it does not look like they have it. Let me try it your way. Oh, see, they have it right there. See, right there. So they do have it. So it's in third. So that's funny that they did it, typed it how you typed it out. So interesting. Where's this chart at? This doesn't have a chart. Apparently, this chart is like non-existent. Let's try. Oh, gosh, let me see. Let's try this one. All right, so we have a chart. All right, bet. Okay, so this chart is screaming bulls right now, just because we're going higher. All right, so first thing right off. Oh, we have a bearish candle here though, so this is what I'm going to do right off the bat. You know what, I'm gonna do this. All right, so we do have this huge zone. I don't like trading zones that big, but that's fine. For this case, I'll keep that. Let's go down to the 4-hour real quick. Okay, so the market is flat right now on the 4-hour chart. It is bullish though. I will give it that. What I would wait for. I will wait for this 4-hour candle to close, which is in 25 minutes and 40 seconds. If I were you, wait for that to close. If it closes bullish like it is now, you could buy some and put your stop loss underneath here at, let's see, your stop loss should be around here. So if the market dips underneath 171, I would close if I were you, I would close out positions. But right now, if it closes like this is saying it's a buy. Let me go to the 1 hour too. Let me see. Yeah, it's a buy right now. I just don't know how high it's gonna go. Okay, so there's a reason why you gotta be cautious here. Yeah, you gotta be cautious here. Let me see. Yeah, because they could trap you here. They like doing this type of movement too. When I say they, I'm talking about money makers, market makers. They like to do this a lot. Trap people. Okay, so this is potentially the move to the potentially here, but let me see. The only problem I have with this is this area right here, because this is a trap zone. Like as soon as I saw this, I said, no, that's a trap. Because what they'll do, they'll have you buy in this area, and they'll probably have you buy here too, if you don't know what you're doing. But they'll probably look for buyers to enter in here, and I'll show you what they could potentially do to you here. And I want to make this a white zone just to make it neutral. Okay, so yeah, there we go. That don't even look white, but that's like a grayish color. But anyway, so what would come in here? What they would do, let's say you buy in this zone, and let's say buyers come in here, because you see that sellers come in this area. But what would happen here, what they would do, they trap the buyers and push it down. So you could buy here, like for now, because I do see it coming up into this territory. But if it breaks here, oh yeah, right there will be, you know, the next level, saying that we get past this level here. Make this red for critical. All right, so this could be potentially where the market decides to move. All right. So I'm looking at this, but right now you need to be a chess player in this market. I would take it up to at least, take it up to at least here, which will give you at least 8 points, 58%. If we break that high here, get to this red zone, that'll give you at least 22.64%. Breaking that will give you a full 33.44%. So it's your call here. I'm not gonna say anything. I would wait for that daily candle, that 4 hour, I think it was a 4 hour candle close. At least snag something here for the short term or for the short time frames, you know. And let's see. Yeah, this is potentially going to be bullish. Got a bullish cross here. What needs to happen now is the cheeky span needs to break above this level, and we need a breakout on this cloud. So we need that first, but I'd be cautious here. Another way you could get in here easily is this trend line breakout. Saying if they don't pump the market, if they pump this out of nowhere, then you wouldn't be able to catch that. But that trend line breakout could be a potential buying opportunity for you as well. So just trade your according or invest according to the rules of the market. That's your best bet here. All right. Okay, let me go ahead and see that 4 hour time frame one more time. Yeah, that 4 hour time frame is looking pretty good though. Once it closes like this, I expect the market to come back into this range here. All right. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this technical analysis tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream tonight. I hope you guys, continue to support this channel. If you like what you saw today, hit that like button, subscribe, support the channel. I appreciate you guys for even taking the time out to tune into tonight's live stream. I will see you guys on Wednesday, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Action Jackson, how you doing? You kind of late, but it's a long time no see. God bless you, man. I appreciate you being on here. He said Wednesday we're gonna let everyone know about R3 Corda. He ain't gonna let nobody know. Let me just say, he's not gonna tell nobody yet. Not anytime soon. Let's see. XRP Bull, take care. God bless. Everybody, y'all take care. God bless. I'm going to go ahead and end the live stream. If you want to join the Discord group, feel free to jump in the Discord group. There is a link to it in the video section. Also, if there's not one, just watch my last upload and that I posted, and you could jump in there because I do have a fresh link in that one. All right. But that being said, you guys, God bless you guys. I hope you guys take care. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace. Take care. And see you next time. Bye.